you have to bring it back to the nostrils with compassion, love, and persistent. You have to be persistent, patience. You need to have patience. You have to bring it back. See where it is touching when it is coming to the nostrils, air, where it is touching when it is going outside. So be the master of now. In this moment, where is this air which is coming right now? Where is it touching when it goes inside the nostrils? When it goes outside the nostrils, where it is touching? So you need to be aware about that moment, that specific point of touch only. It's like a security guard who knows, observes when somebody comes in. He is aware, he is not reacting, he is not doing anything, he is just observing. When somebody comes, somebody goes, he is aware, he is conscious, he is full aware. So similarly, you have to